Guys, I must confess, I may have been holding out on y'all. I just received a shipment from Rottler Manufacturing out of Washington State. Oh yeah. They put it on, it comes off. Would you look at that? That thing is skookum as frig. Yeah, I can see. I can see it. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty amazing up here. Hang on. There's still a lot of assembly. Yeah, it's got the deals on it. This order has been in the works for 6 or 8 months now. We have a machining center. We have a seat and guide machine. And we have their valve resurfacer here as well. Owning a machine shop has been a professional dream of mine since I got started in the industry. Never really thought that it would come into fruition, especially in this magnitude. I am so excited for the next chapter of Blevins Diesel, so stick around for the next couple of weeks while I get this equipment set up. I get trained on this equipment. I can start doing all of this block work and head work in-house, keep my thumb on quality control, and not only that, put out a better product for y'all. Thanks, guys.